Now students, our next theorem is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So first, here we given an arc PQ of a circle. So in the both these are draw the angles, and an arc PQ of a circle subtending angles POQ, POQ, POQ and the POQ, and angle PAQ at a point A, PAQ at a point of A on the remaining part of the circle. So to prove angle POQ is equal to the twice of angle PAQ. This angle, the POQ angle equal to the double of angle PAQ. So here there are the three conditions, there are the three different cases, and draw here the circle. The first case, arc PQ is a minor, PQ there is a minor arc. In second case, the arc PQ is a semicircle, it means the PQ is a diameter. And in third case, PQ is a major, so PQ is a major arc. So now in these conditions, so then we prove that angle POQ equal to the twice of angle PAQ. You have already know, as an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So therefore in all the cases we have angle BOQ. All the cases we have angle BOQ equal to angle OAQ plus angle AOQ. So also in angle OAQ, therefore OA is equal to the OQ because the radii of the circle same. So OA equal to OQ, and the angle OAQ equal to the angle OQA by the property of angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Now, so let's we start angle BOQ. Here angle BOQ is double of angle OAQ, equation first, and the second is angle BOP equal to twice of angle OAP, equation second. So now the both the equation at equation 1 and 2, add the equation 1 and 2, so we get, add equation 1 and 2, so we get angle BOQ plus angle BOP equal to twice of angle OAQ plus twice of angle OAP. It means 2 will be, so you can write here POQ plus BOP. So you can write angle POQ. Both will be angle, the sum of both angle is mega angle POQ, and twice of angle PAQ. This equation will be called third. So for the case third, where PQ is the major arc, and the third is replaced by the reflex angle POQ equal to the twice of angle PAQ. So hence proved angle POQ equal to twice of angle PAQ.